Hey guys, RK Coding here, and based on the positive feedback of my last tutorial, I've decided to make a quick tutorial on how to make a Discord bot DM you, like so. So if you want to learn the basics of how to set up a Discord bot, check out that tutorial because it also teaches you stuff like how to set up statuses and stuff. Also, I have a Discord now. There'll be a link in the description, so if you need help and stuff, please make sure to join that, and you can also give suggestions. Okay, so I'm going to be using the same code base as last time, but this will pretty much work with any code base. Um, so actually, basically all we need to do is have this context passed in. So let's create like a separate command. And let's call it at async def dm context. And before this, let's put the at client.command to make sure this is a command. So at client.command name equals DM. And then all we really need to do is have this line right about here. So basically, await ctx.author send and then your message. And then basically that's it. We have it pretty much done. So if we were actually to run this, you can see our bot is now online. And let's just say DM, right? Actually, I'm going to put this in the bot commands. DM. And voila, it sends me a direct message almost instantly.